friends. Thank you so much for being part of the Broadfield Pavilion here. What are we showing off from Avid today?
Yeah, so today we're basically showing Media Composer here, but the big key thing about this one is that we actually introduced some AI that we're going to be evolving into the product. And so what I have the pleasure of showing is the capabilities basically of taking any kind of video clip and actually generating a transcript straight from it. So if I have an interview, a long show, whatever it might be, I can generate the transcript from it and then basically have it lined out right on there. So I can pick anywhere in the script and it'll load it right away. Another cool thing is we're branding the whole AI part under a name called Ada. And if you look at the front and the middle of the screen there, that's actually like a bot, basically, that we'll be putting in the Media Composer to give you the capabilities of, like, if I'm just learning it, you know, how do you do this? How do you do that? And it'll come back with the results in that. And we'll take it further and further as we go. So it's really interesting to be able to take some of this into Media Composer and automate some of the processes that take a lot of time to do, you know, and that. And then we have a booth also at the show, too, where we have AI in the databases and all that kind of stuff. So a lot of cool, exciting stuff that way.